A very good afternoon to all. So today we will understand here the transformation from star to delta. In previous video we have already discussed about the transformation from delta to star. So here we will transform from star to delta. So here we will calculate the values of RAB, RBC and RCA. So in star connection we will connect the three resistances in the form of star. So here these are the three terminals A, B, C, and the resistance connected between terminal A is represented by RA. So R is represent here the resistance and A is the subscript. A define here terminal. So RA, RB is the resistance of this terminal and RC. Now here we can see in delta form, this is in represent in the delta. So here there are three terminals same A, B, C. So the resistance connected between terminals A and B is represented by RAB. The resistance connected between terminal A, B and C represented by RBC, and the resistance connected between terminal C and A represented by RCA. So here this is the combined diagram or network of star and delta. So in this the delta arms represented by dotted lines. So here our aim is to calculate the value of RAB, RBC and RCA. Calculate the values of delta arms. So with the help of this diagram we can calculate directly the value of RAB, RBC and RCA. How? So here we can calculate here the value of RAB. So here this is connected between terminal A and B, and in front of this the arms of star connection connected is RA and RB. So here we will add up these two resistances. This is the formula. So RA plus RB plus the product of these two resistances RA into RB divided by the third arm of the star connection RC. So this will be the formula. So here we can see the resistance of an arm of delta is equal to the sum of star resistances connected across that arm plus the product of the same of two resistances divided by the third one resistance. So here RAB is equal to RA plus RB plus product of these two RA into RB divided by third arm RC. So with the help of this diagram we can calculate directly. So as same here RBC, what will be the value of RBC? So RB plus RC plus RB into RC divided by RA. Same RCA is equal to RA plus RC plus RA into RC divided by RB. So this will be the answer. Now from derivation we will how we will calculate. So here for solving these RAB, RBC and RC values we have to know about RA, RB and RC. These are the values of star connection RA, RB, RC. We have already discussed in previous video. So these are the values. RA is equal to RAB into RCA divided by sum of these three arms of delta. So there are three equations. So with the help of these equations we will calculate here. So for finding RAB, RBC and RCA we will divide here first equation number 1 by 2 and equation number 1 by 3. So here we will divide RA divided by RB and RA divided by RC. So when we will divide RA divided by RB, so we will get this is the numerator part and this is the denominator part. Same here, this is the numerator and denominator part. So here when we will divide these two terms, then we will get this is the numerator, denominator. Then when we will divide, then in multiply the denominator will be numerator and numerator will be denominator. So here these are two cancelled out by each other. Here RAB is cancelled out. Then we will get RA divided by RB is equal to RCA divided by RBC. So we can see here. So from this equation we will calculate RCA. So when we will calculate RCA, then we will get RA into RBC divided by RB. When we cross multiply, then we will get RCA. So from here, then divide RA divided by RC. This equation divided by this. So we will get same. When we will calculate, then these two equations are cancelled out. Then we will get RA divided by RC is equal to RAB divided by RBC. So from here we will get the value of RAB. So RAB will be equal to RA into RBC divided by RC. So these two equations 4 and 5, the value of RC and RAB we will put in this equation. Then we will get the value of one arm of delta. So how? Put the value of these in this equation. Then here we can see we have already put up. This is the value of RAB and RCA divided by RAB plus RBC plus RCA. So we have already put up numerator and this is the denominator term. So when we will calculate this, then we will get RA is equal to RA square RBC square divided by denominator. Then from here, this is the RA square. So when we will cancel out this, then here we can see 1 is equal to RA into RBC square divided by denominator. So when we multiply, cross multiply, then we will get this. So here RA is divided by this. So RA is cancelled out, here RA is cancelled out, then there is no RA, then we will put up in denominator. So from here we will get the value of RBC. So with the help of these steps we will get the value of RBC, and this RBC is equal to RB plus RC plus RB into RC divided by RA. Now put the value of RBC in equation number 4 and 5. So here directly we will put the value of RBC in this equation, and in this equation then we will get the value of RC and RAB. How? So here we can see the formula we have already find out. Now put the value of RBC. So RA is equal to RB divided by RB plus RC divided by RC plus RB into RC divided by RA into RB. So when we will cancel out, then we will get the value of RCA. Now from RAB put value of RBC, then we will get easily value of RAB. So RAB is equal to RA plus RB plus product of these two resistances RA into RB divided by RC. Now this is the transformation from star to delta. So thank you so much.